gigantic comet is found to be approaching to the Earth. Its size is 200 kilometers.
Mysteries of the universe.
This comet is called Bernstein Comet after the names of the discoverers, and its size amazing 120 miles or 200 kilometers across. This is 10 times larger than the typical size of the comet, or 1,000 times heavier than typical comet. 200 kilometers or 120 miles is, if you start from New York, you can go over the New Jersey and then to the next state. Or if you start from Tokyo, you go through Yokohama and then you go through Mount Fuji and you can go even farther. This is how large 200 kilometers are. And with this size of comet is approaching to the Earth. If you compare to the famous Halley's Comet, the size of the core is only 8 kilometers. So this new comet is 20 times larger than Halley's Comet. If you compare the size to the famous Chicxulub asteroid, which killed the dinosaurs, this Chicxulub asteroid size was 10 kilometers across. So even compared to that, this new comet is 10 times larger. This is how large this new object is. And where does it come from? It came from so-called Oort cloud. At the very edge of our solar system, there's almost a clouds of small bodies. This is called Oort clouds. This is at the distance of about 10,000 AU to 100,000 AU. The AU is astronomical unit, and this is AU. 1 AU is a distance from the Sun to the Earth. And then most of the comets are coming from this Oort cloud. But this new comet is by far the largest member of the Oort clouds. And how this was found? This was found using dark energy camera. This is the largest digital camera in the world with 570 megapixels. With these cameras on top of the Planck 4-meter telescope in Chile. So this is a picture of the Planck telescope, and if you compare to the person sitting down below, you can tell how big the 4-meter telescope is. And also, if you think about and this camera has 570 megapixels. If you compare to typical 4K monitor is about 8 million pixels. So if you compare to that, almost 100 times more pixels. This is why I call this the world's largest digital camera. This is the image from this dark energy camera. Dark energy camera surveys large part of the sky. The original purpose is to find the nature of the dark energy, but at the same time, while surveying large area of the sky, it discovered many comets. It has discovered 800 comets so far. So this is the image of the dark energy camera. Let's zoom into the comet. Even though the comet is the largest comet, it's still far away, so it looks like a tiny white dot in this image. And now we can see it in the center. When comet approaches the sun's heat is going to warm up the comet, and the comet is going to form coma, which is the tail of the comet. And this comet has already started forming this tail. Tail is usually made of dust, gas, and ice that melt from the heat from the sun. So that's why we identify this as a comet. And then the comet was next Bernstein Comet, named after the discoverers, these two gentlemen. And right now it's at the distance of 20 AU or 3 billion kilometers. And this white one is the orbit of the comet. And you might worry, 200 kilometers, such a gigantic comet is approaching to the Earth, and this is 10 times or 20 times larger than the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. So if this comet hits the Earth, it will be a disaster. But no need to worry. Even at the closest point, the comet will be at 11 AU. So that's 11 times distance between the Sun and the Earth. And that happens in 2031. 11 AU is even outside of the orbit of the Saturn. So there's no need to worry about the collision with the Okay, so today we talk about amazing discovery of the largest comet we ever found, 200 kilometers across. As it approaches to the solar system, maybe we'll have probably more and more beautiful pictures of this comet, so let's look forward to seeing these pictures. Okay, I stop here today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Comments and questions are always welcome. Please write down below. Okay, then that's it for today. See you next time.